Hey beautiful people, welcome to another wash and go tutorial. So today I'm going to be trying the Miche Gel to Foam Foaming Mousse. Now you guys know I love foaming mousse wash and goes, but this is a little different because this claims to be a one product wash and go. I must admit I am quite nervous to try this because you guys know I'm always pairing a leave-in conditioner or a curl cream as my base and then a foaming mousse as my styler. So have my fingers crossed. I went in and shampooed with their clarifying shampoo first. Really wanted to make sure that I removed any previous product buildup and give my hair a clean slate to really see how well this foaming mousse works. And then I went in with their 3-minute conditioner to condition my hair. So this is how my hair looks, completely bare, no products. My hair has grown out quite a bit. I know you guys last saw me with my boho knotless braids. Took those out, gave my hair a break from all of that, wore it in a bun first few days, did a little wash and go. So now I'm getting back into the groove of trying new products. So I'm going to section off my hair like I normally do, starting off by separating the front sections. Always make it about this small. And I'm just gonna go with my usual like middle part. And the way that I have like my hair currently shaped is in like this rounded long layers that need to be trimmed, which I will because I'm getting my hair straightened for my birthday at the end of this month. But yeah, I like to just define my hair in this way to keep me organized. Then in the back, I just take my fingers, divide that top section, and I'm going to be working from the bottom to the top. Now with every hairstyle, I'm always gonna have my spray bottle filled with water involved because I always feel like if your section of hair is saturated with water, the product usually adheres better. And in this case, I feel like I'm gonna need a lot of water since I won't be using a moisturizing base. And I'm so nervous, y'all. Like, the fact that it says gel to foam, I've used a gel to foam foaming mousse before, and you do still have to be very careful with the base that you do choose to use under it because regular gel flakes, right? But even gel to foam flakes if it doesn't mix well with a base product. Doesn't matter if it's liquid or cream based, trust me, I've tried. I'm trying to think of the brand that I used that was a gel to foam. I like the foaming mousse, it was really good, it's just that you have to be careful with what you pair it with. And it's like, I'm wondering how this is not going to dry my hair out with it just being foaming mousse on top of my hair, which just, I don't know y'all, I'm like really nervous. All right, so I have my hair pretty much like dripping wet. This back section, I'm going to apply the mousse to the entire section. So this is the gel to foam styling mousse for frizz-free definition. And as I'm putting it on, I feel like my hair is gonna be dry. I'm not even gonna hold y'all. Mind you, even after I used the 3-minute conditioner, I went in and deep conditioned and my hair felt fine. So I don't know, like I'm nervous. Okay, this is what I'm gonna do. I'm going to define this entire section and just see how that goes. If I don't like it, I'm gonna rinse this section out, apply a base, a cream or liquid base as a leave-in moisturizer, and then still apply this and just hope that it doesn't flake because I don't know about this y'all, but let's see. Okay, so here is the smallest back portion. Definitely is curling really good, I will say that. I feel like my mind is changing because as I'm going through defining each small section, it's defining my hair really, really good. I think my only concern is seeing how dry it might look or feel once it is completely dry. But for the most part, for me to not have any base styler, it is clumping my curls so good. Alright guys, I'm literally down to my last section, and I can honestly say, don't knock it until you try it. Because my hair is so defined. Like I'm honestly shocked, because normally, even if I were to apply just like regular foaming mousse without the curl cream or leave-in conditioner, like just on bare hair, it does not clump this good. It always usually has to be paired together. So I really do like that I'm putting on the water on this section first, saturating it, and then applying the foaming mousse. So this is how my hair is looking all around. I'm just gonna finish up this last section and go sit under the hooded dryer. Y'all know I love sitting under the hooded dryer. That's my preferred way to set my curls now. I find that I have less frizz that way, and I also find that it actually lasts a little bit longer. Like usually I'm either able to get like 4 or 5 days, and if the weather is really good, 6 to 7 days. Alright you guys, this is how my curls are looking completely dry. I sat under the hooded dryer for about 45 minutes. One thing I can say is that it does have a slight cast to it, and I went in with some oil just to kind of like loosen up the foam to gel or gel to foam cast a little bit. The first thing I've noticed just from looking at it head on is that it does seem to have a little bit of more elongation. Normally if I were to do my regular conditioner or leave-in cream, curl cream with foaming mousse, it would definitely have a little bit more shrinkage and take maybe 1 or 2 days to kind of stretch out depending on how I tie it up at night. But just to give you guys a close-up look at how the curls are looking, they are very defined on the top portion part, like the outer shell, which I'm happy about. However, the only thing that I'm slightly concerned about, considering the fact that this is a one product wash and go, there is an insane amount of frizz in the inner portion. Let me see if I can like show it better for the camera to kind of pick it up. I don't know if you can tell, but it is frizzy from the root to like mid shaft, but like the bottom portion is super defined. And I noticed that consistently throughout. Like if you can see this part right here, let's see if the focus, it's a little bit more frizzy, but the outer curls are defined. So like the outer shell itself has the definition for sure, but I just feel like I know how a successful wash and go feels that will last a week, and this is a successful short-term wash and go. This is what I would consider using if I know I only want to wear a wash and go for like 3 days, maybe 4 max, depending on the weather and how I tied it down at night. I will say that this is a really cool concept considering the fact that this is a one product wash and go. And they say that this gel to foam mousse has a moisturizer or like a leave-in built into it, but I feel like it's slightly on the drier side. I do think that you may be able to get away with a liquid-based leave-in conditioner prior to putting that gel to foaming mousse on your hair, but do not use a cream, because like I've said in the past, I've noticed that if you use a gel to foaming mousse and you use a curl cream or a cream-based moisturizer, it may flake when it dries. So keep that in mind. But the definition is there. It's just, I guess it's intended to be like a soft hold, so like the inside is definitely frizzier. But if you want some curl elongation, definitely go with this. So let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. If you would try this one product gel to foam foaming mousse out. But yeah, these are how my results are looking. There is another product that I'm really looking forward to trying in the Miche product line, and it is there. Now there is another product in the Miche product line that I am looking forward to trying soon. So let me know if you guys want to see that video, but it is their Oasis gel. So I want to see if I can start experimenting with gels again. You guys know I'm just a really big fan of foaming mousses because I like how my curls turn out with them. But I want to try gels, especially just considering the fact that I want to try out products that give me like longer than 7-day wear. So let me know if you guys are interested in me doing that demo in the comment section down below. Make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button for more curl demos to come, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.